Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with all y'all a requested recipe and the last one for back to school. One of my subscribers a while back asked me if I could make some school butter cookies. So that's what I'm going to make. Public school butter cookies, aka lunchroom butter cookies. But we're going to make my version of it. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious. And the best part about this recipe, no eggs required. So these are going to be eggless butter cookies. Y'all going to love and enjoy this. And once you taste these will bring you back to your childhood. Memories of going to the cafeteria and enjoying them yummy butter cookies with your lunch. And if y'all a butter lover, this is your cookie. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my cinnamon French toast sticks recipe and my previous video, homemade Rice Krispie treats. I'll post link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your sheet pans, your flour, and your butter, sugar. Because we're about to bake some lunchroom butter cookies magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 1 cup, which is 2 sticks of unsalted butter at room temperature. And into our butter we're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until they're fluffy. And 1 teaspoon of natural butter flavoring. And we're going to cream this until it's well incorporated. Now we're going to add in 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of salt. Going to gradually add that in until it's well incorporated. Alright my friends, this is what our cookie dough looks like. Love the smell of butter. It's going to be one amazing buttery cookies. That looks perfect. So now I'm going to let my dough chill in the refrigerator for about 1 hour. Alright my friends, our cookie dough is nice and chill. And we're going to place the cookies on the 9 by 13 inch cookie sheet that I lined with parchment paper. So we're going to use my cookie scoop, or you can use a spoon. Just going to scoop the dough like so. And then we're going to place them on to the cookie sheet. And using my 3 fingers, we're just going to press them down like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my cookies and I'll bring you back. Alrighty my friends, I got all my cookies together. Now we're ready to put them in the oven. We're going to put them in the preheated 375-degree oven and we're going to let them bake for about 18 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, there you have it. School, aka cafeteria butter cookies. Doesn't that look good? It smells heavily. Nothing like freshly baked cookies. They're nice and golden brown around the edges. So now I'm going to let them cool for about 5 minutes and then I'll plate them up and then we'll give them a taste. Alrighty my friends, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Look at this cookie. Nice and golden brown on the bottom. Have a bite. super buttery and chewy, and love that nice little crispiness on the outside. These are fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Get you a glass of milk and you'll be good to go. Yum-o. Buttercookie-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and have a wonderful and safe school year.